All right, let's talk about a tool you probably have open on your computer right now, Microsoft Excel. But I want you to forget everything you think you know about it, because today we're going to turn it from a plain old spreadsheet into an incredible data storytelling machine.
You know that feeling, right? Someone drops a data file on your desk, and it's got thousands, maybe tens of thousands of rows. And it's just this chaotic mess, and your job is to find the insights. Honestly, it can feel like you're completely lost at sea.
But what if I told you that you don't need some super fancy, expensive software to find your way? That the perfect tool to navigate all that chaos, your lifeboat, is probably already installed. Yep, we're talking about Excel. It's time to move past thinking about it for just budgets and to-do lists. When you know what you're doing, Excel is a full-blown data analysis toolkit. It's a secret weapon for finding the real stories hiding in all those numbers.
So, where do we start? Well, every single great data story begins at the exact same place. You have to turn that raw, chaotic mess into something clean, organized, and actually usable.
I mean, look at the difference. On one side, you've got the raw file. It's riddled with typos, duplicate entries, all kinds of weird formatting. The very first job for any analyst is to wrestle that into clean, structured data that you can actually trust. That's when the real work can begin.
And Excel has an amazing tool for this called Power Query. Seriously, think of it like a data washing machine that runs on autopilot. You just show it how to clean the data once, like, hey, remove these duplicates or fix this weird formatting, and Power Query remembers those steps and does it for you, automatically, forever.
And the whole process really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, you connect to your messy data source. Then, you apply all your cleaning steps, your transformations. And finally, you just load that perfectly clean table right back into Excel. It's repeatable, it's reliable, and wow, is it fast.
Okay, so your data is sparkling clean. Now what? Well, this is where the fun really starts. You get to find the story hiding inside. And that journey always begins by asking the right questions.
And for that, we turn to pivot tables. These are, hands down, the data analyst's best friend in Excel. They let you slice, dice, group, and summarize huge amounts of data with just a few clicks. No complicated formulas needed.
So instead of trying to write some crazy complex formula to answer a simple business question like, hey, what were our total sales for each region? A pivot table just gives you the answer. Boom, instantly. It takes thousands of individual rows of sales data and boils them down into this one simple, super clear summary. In just a few seconds, you know exactly what's going on. That's the magic of it.
Getting answers is one thing. But to really make a difference, you've got to present those answers so that anybody can understand them in a single glance. You have to build a visual story.
And with just one click, that data from your pivot table can become a chart. Suddenly, the numbers aren't just numbers anymore. They're story. Your brain doesn't have to work to compare figures. You can just see that the East region is killing it in profits.
Or say you want to see how the whole pie is sliced up. A donut chart like this makes it instantly obvious what your biggest product categories are. It communicates those parts of a whole way better than a boring table ever could.
So now you start bringing these different charts together, your profit by region, your sales by category, all onto one page. And you're not just making a bunch of graphics, you're actually building a dashboard. It's like a command center that gives you a complete, at-a-glance picture of what's going on.
But here's where it gets really powerful. A static dashboard is great, but an interactive one? That's a tool for discovery. You add things like slicers and timelines, which are basically just really cool, user-friendly filters, and you bring the whole thing to life. Now, anyone can click on a year or a product and watch the entire story update in real time. They can ask their own questions.
So let's just step back for a second and recap this whole journey we've been on, all inside a program we thought we knew so well.
You've got this complete analyst toolkit right at your fingertips. You've got Power Query to do all the heavy lifting of cleaning your data. You've got pivot tables to explore and summarize that data in seconds. And you have all the charts and visuals you need to tie it all together into a compelling, interactive story.
Think about it. You've gone from a chaotic spreadsheet full of raw numbers to a dynamic, visual story that delivers clear insights. You didn't just analyze the data. You made it speak.
You know, every single data set, no matter how big or messy it seems, has a story that's just waiting to be told. So the real question is, with a tool this powerful sitting on your desktop, are you ready to listen?